Miss you.
You can feel free to skip over this if you don't have a menstrual cycle. I got ads for this company that has like a natural cramp relieving cream. And so I made a cart and I like sat on it for quite a while. This last month's period, I don't know what happened. I had way more cramps than usual that like woke me up in the middle of the night. And I was laying next to the baby while he was sleeping one day, like set period day 2. And I was very crampy and I was like, I'm just smashing by on my cart. It shipped 1 hour later, which is insane because one of the things has like custom embroidery on it. And it just arrived. The brand is called Some Days. This is the heat pack that I got. I embroidered The Divine Feminine on it, which is the name of one of my favorite Mac Miller albums, as well as just something that I think is nice to remember when you're on your period. It's called the Better Cycle Kit. So it was the custom embroidered heat pad and a castor oil set. And I've just only recently started learning about castor oil packs. And I was intrigued. This one's called Mess Free Castor Oil Set, like this shape, you know? And then you put it in the little cover. So that's cute. This would be a cute gift for someone. So then yeah, that comes with the castor oil set and it actually tells you what to do in the back. So usually castor oil is just like an oil in a bottle. Like when I see people do it on TikTok, they just like pour out the oil and rub it on. This is called Belly Jelly and it's like a castor oil, like in a wax type of substance, I think. It's a stick. So you apply this to your lower abdomen on the right side, or right side over your liver. And then you wrap the belly band around it, which traps the heat and helps absorption and protects your heat pad and your clothing from the oil, because apparently it can stain. And then you leave it on for at least an hour, and it says for best results, repeat 7 to 30 days. I've heard people say that it helps a lot with bloating, that it can help with cramps, that it can just like fix your cycle. And where I have sometimes short cycles, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it. And then I got this tea. It's called Mood Shine, Mood Boosting Herbal Tea. Okay, then I got the Cramp Cream. So this is their like medium size. They have a bigger size and then a travel size. Ooh, that is potent. I'm gonna get my sister to try this because she has really, really bad cramps. I have like I said, sometimes some cycles I have no cramping and sometimes I have some. And then the last thing I got was called the, Better Blood Flow. And it's like a lymphatic drainage set. And I used to have a dry brush, but when we were out of our house for 3 months, it got really moldy because our house was like sealed up with no airflow and it was really hot, and a lot of our stuff like grew mold inside, even stuff that didn't get flooded. And my dry brush was like black with mold. It was disgusting. So I threw it out and I haven't gotten a new one since the summer. And then it comes with, it's like a anti-inflammatory bath and body oil. It's called Afterflow. It wasn't cheap, but they had a 20% off code, so I used that. But I'm excited to try all this. It's good. You try it? Whoops, you gotta keep it in. Good job. You like it? So as part of my just like wellness journey that I've been on with like cycle syncing and hormones, I have been trying to make healthier sweet treats. And for the longest time I was like, regular sugar's fine, regular flour's fine, I'm not gluten-free, and I don't really feel like I'm bothered by sugar. And I still don't like care about eating that stuff. It's not that I'll never eat it. Sugar is still sugar, like whether it's maple syrup or white sugar or whatever. But I've started using like coconut sugar and almond flour and oat flour and stuff, and I just hate to say I do notice that I don't feel as bad when I indulge in treats made with the more wholesome ingredients. Not mentally, like mentally I never felt guilty about eating desserts, but physically I do just feel like, I don't know, like I made brownies with almond flour and I just feel like it really did have less of like a huge sugar spike and crash than normal brownies made with like regular flour. But I found this girl's TikTok, and I think it's called like, I don't know, I'll put a screenshot maybe, or I'll find her name and put it on the screen. But I tried 2 of her recipes. One was like this brownie, like chocolatey brownie pudding thing, but I think she's British, so I feel like they just call all dessert pudding. So it's technically like brownies, but like really gooey. And I tried her oat flour, vegan, refined sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. And honestly, they were so good. You didn't try them, but Greg loved them. I somehow messed them up, or like, I don't know what happened, but hers were like puffy and like nice looking. Mine were literally flat as pancakes and like this big. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, but anyway, they were so good. We ate them all, and I'm gonna remake them. So I thought that I would just show you how to make them, even though it's her recipe, but so all credit goes to her, but we're gonna make it. I normally don't make other people's cookie recipes, but when they're kind of like healthy-ish cookies like this, then I do like following someone else's recipes. Yeah, so I just made some oat flour. So I just use like, well, I put them away, but I just use like big, not quick cooking oats, but like rolled oats. They're like large flake ones, and then I just use my Vitamix to process them into a really, really fine flour. Cookies are done. They turned out a lot better than the first time I made them. I chilled them for longer this time in the fridge. She said 30 minutes, but I ended up doing like an hour and a half. So yummy. I'm a little cold after my shower, so I'm gonna make my first cup of the Mood Shine tea. It's beautiful, so pretty. This tastes like exactly what I expected it to taste like. If you've ever had a hibiscus tea, it pretty much just tastes like that. So it's like a little bit tangy, a little bit fruity. It's really good. I can definitely see myself having this iced in the summer, but it's good. I always forget how much I like tea. Tonight we are going out for dinner for my mom's birthday. We had her 60th birthday surprise party on the weekend, but we're just taking the baby and going out for pizza tonight with her. So yeah, I'm just gonna go dry my hair, and that's the plan for tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the haul of the period products. Let me know if you did, or if you're interested in me sharing like reviews on any of that stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.